Forfeiture. Losing something as punishment. He faced forfeiture of his property. The game ended in forfeiture. Indemnity. Protection against loss or damage. The contract included indemnity. The company offered indemnity for losses. Annexation. Taking control of land by force. The annexation caused conflict. People protested the annexation of their land. Hegemonic. Having strong control or power over others. The country had hegemonic power in the region. People feared the hegemonic ruler. Reparation. Payment or action to repair damage. The victims received reparation for their loss. The country demanded reparation after the war. Restitution. Returning something or paying for damage. The court ordered restitution to the victim. He made restitution for the stolen goods. Terra Nullius. Land belonging to no one. The explorers called the land Terra Nullius. The area was treated as Terra Nullius. Jus ad bellum. Rules about when war is allowed. The debate focused on jus ad bellum. Leaders discussed jus ad bellum principles. Invasion. Entering a place by force. The invasion forced many people to flee. The country prepared for invasion. Pacifism. Belief in peace and against war. He believed strongly in pacifism. Pacifism encourages peaceful solutions. Disarmament. Reducing or removing weapons. Leaders discussed nuclear disarmament. The treaty supported disarmament. Reprisal. Harm done in return for harm. They feared military reprisal. The attack was seen as a reprisal. Enclave. A small area surrounded by another area. The village was an enclave inside the city. They lived in a peaceful enclave. Espionage. Spying to get secret information. He was accused of espionage. The movie focused on espionage activities. Exigency. An urgent situation needing quick action. The flood created an exigency. They acted quickly during the exigency. Adjournment. A pause or delay in a meeting or court case. The judge announced an adjournment. The meeting ended after adjournment. Caveat. A warning or caution. He gave a caveat before signing the deal. There is one important caveat to remember. Mutation. A change in genes or form. Scientists studied the mutation carefully. The disease was caused by a mutation. Abrogation. Official cancellation of a law or agreement. The abrogation of the rule caused debate. People reacted strongly to the abrogation. Clemency. Kindness shown by someone in power. The ruler granted clemency to the prisoner. She asked the court for clemency. Armament. Weapons and military equipment. The country increased its armament. Heavy armament was displayed in the parade. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.